and welcome to Super C. Today let us understand the order of operation with the help of BODMAS or PEDMAS. It is used when we have more than two operations in an equation. So BODMAS stands over here for bracket, order of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, whereas PEDMAS is same thing. It is applied when we have exponents or any kind of power in our equation. Okay, so let us understand with the help of a question. Over here, I have an equation that is 3 plus 2 cube minus 9 plus 1. Now, if I go according to the BODMAS or PEDMAS, first thing that I have to solve are the brackets. So, 9 plus 1 will give me 10. So, I will write all the numbers as it is and I will write 9 plus 1, 10 with the bracket open. Now, the second step is the exponents. Yes, so I have an exponent over here that is 2 cube. I will solve this thing now. So I will get my answer as 3 plus 8. Why? Because the cube of 2 is 8. So I got my equation over here as 3 plus 8 minus 10. Basically, we have simplified the equation. Now, my third step is to add, since we don't have any multiplication or division over here. So after that I have my addition. So I will add 3 plus 8. I will get 11, and from 11 now my last step is to subtract. So I will subtract from 11 10. So I will get 1. So this is how we are supposed to solve. Wasn't that easy? See you in next video. Bye bye.